Hey guys, Rich Ferguson here, your favorite prankster, and today I'm going to head out in public and do something very simple, and I want your opinion. Tell me if you want to see more of this prank or more pranks like this. Very simple. Hey guys.
It scared me. I was like, oh my god.
No love, where's my tissue?
Good job.
Have a good one.
Good job. I knew this was gonna happen.
What do you mean, you were planning, you were expecting
No,
this
once
today?
I saw the camera, I was like, okay, I have to.
Yeah. I got you guys so good.
Yeah, you did. My mom was like, gross.
And then I said to him, I said, did you get that?
Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video. I have a few of these from GoDoPranks.com. I'll put a link in the description. You can go buy some fun pranks there, or if you want a couple of these, I will send them off to a few of you. Just comment down below and say you're interested in the giveaway. That's it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Share this with all your friends so they can see my awesome videos too. You guys, thank you so much for the love. Catch you next week. Peace.